Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaibhav. Today I am going to show you how you can add image gallery to your WordPress website. So after watching this complete video, you will be able to create image gallery like this. Well, I will show you to add image gallery in your WordPress website in two different methods. First, Elementor page builder, and second, Lightbox feature. So without any wasting time, let's get started. First method, let's see how you can add image gallery to your WordPress website using Elementor page builder. Okay, here is the WordPress dashboard. So first we need to install a plugin, that is Elementor page builder. So go to the plugin, here it is. Click on add new and search for Elementor. So here it is, Elementor page builder. So you need to install and activate this plugin. So as you see, I have already installed and activated. Okay, now let's open a website in a new tab. So this is the website that we will going to add an image gallery. Okay, now let's click on edit with Elementor. Here it is. Click on edit with Elementor. Here it is. Now select the place where you want to add image gallery. Okay, I want to add image gallery above the contact form. So I will click on this plus button. Here it is. Plus button. Again click on this plus button. Here it is. Add new section. And now select the structure. And I am going to use this structure. Here it is. Now what I will do, I will bring the text heading. So I will search for text heading. Here it is. Text heading. Just drag and drop over here. And I am going to write image gallery. Alignment center. Okay. Go to the style. Text color I will keep black only. Typography. Let's increase the font size. Let's make 30. Okay. Font family. Tahoma. Okay. Now that's it. Now what I will do, I will bring the image gallery. So here it is. Just follow my cursor. Here it is. Click over here. And search for visit image gallery. Basic gallery. Here it is. Basic gallery. Just drag and drop over here. Here it is. Now we have to add images. So here it is. Just follow my cursor. Click on this button. Click on this plus button. Upload files. I have selected 6 images. Open. Click on create new gallery. You can also change the image order like this. Now click on insert gallery. Here it is. Here we go. Okay, now let's change the image size. From here you can change the image size. Right now it is thumbnail 150 multiplied by 150. Let's make medium large. Okay, here it is. Now column 4, I will make 3 column. Okay, here we go. So now let's update. Okay, now let's open a website in a new tab. Click on this preview changes. Here it is. Scroll down. So here we go. We have successfully added image gallery through Elementor page builder. Now click on this image. Here it is. Here we go. So we have successfully added image gallery through Elementor page builder. Now first part is completed. Here it is. Okay, now let's move to the second method. Second method, let's see how you can add image gallery to your WordPress website using Lightbox feature. Now go to the WordPress dashboard. Now we will going to create a separate page for image gallery. So go to the pages, click on add new. Here I will give a title image gallery. Okay, now click on this plus button. Here it is. Just click on this plus button and search for gallery. Here it is. Click on this gallery. Okay, now upload the image. Here you can directly drag and drop the image from your PC. But what I will do, I will choose the image that I have already uploaded in Media Library. So I will click on Media Library. So total 6 images I have selected. Okay, now let's click on create new gallery. Okay, you can change the image order like this. Okay, now let's click on insert gallery. Here it is. Okay, now click any image. Here it is. Just follow my cursor. Go to the link to and select media file. Here it is. Okay. Now click on publish. Publish. Okay, now let's view page. Here is the image gallery. Now let's click any image. Here it is. Here you can see we cannot view the next image in our image gallery. Okay, to view the next image in our image gallery, we have to install one plugin. So go to the dashboard. Go to the plugin. Here it is. Click on add new. And search plugin Lightbox. Here it is. Simple Lightbox. So just click install. And activate. Okay, now let's refresh the page now. Okay, now let's click on any image. Here it is. Here it is. We have successfully viewed the next image. Here it is. Now we have completed the image gallery. So now we have successfully created image gallery through Elementor Page Builder. And also we have successfully created image gallery through Lightbox feature. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care and have a great day.